lookout point of Lago Coatepeque, just right near the Volcán de Santa Ana. I think it's somewhere over there. We're going to be hiking. It's been a beautiful drive so far. This little pull-off area. So we're going to pay the entrance fee here for foreigners $6, locals $3. And we paid $3 for guide and $3, I think, for something else. Some other park fee or something. So $9 plus transportation. The trail is basically like this to get up here. We paid for transportation from the hostel. It was $1 per person, as long as there's more than one person. But you could take the bus for much cheaper. We're up in the observation tower, just a couple hundred meters in.
So we're going up there?
Oh, hiking Volcan Santana. We've reached the top of the crater, just about. We're here at the top of the Volcán de Santa Ana. Look! You can see the steam coming off. Pretty cool. So we're heading back down right now. We had a really nice hike, about 4 hours total. I think about 2.5 going up, but there were several places where we stopped, a couple of different overlooks, and we had about 30 minutes at the top, and then like an hour coming down, something like that. Not too bad, to be honest. Volcanoes can be tricky just because of how they're formed. They can tend to have a lot of loose rocks and things like that. And this was honestly a really, really nice hike. A really great way to spend my first full day here in El Salvador. I didn't really know what to expect. Obviously, you can read a lot of things online, and it's different when you experience it yourself. So I think this is probably one of the top tourist attractions in the country, and I'm really glad that I had the chance to hike it today. A lot of people going up and down. And when you get here to the park, you'll be matched with a local guide. So that was nice. There was police at the top, so it's perfectly safe. You don't have to worry about being robbed or anything like that. They're also there to make sure nobody falls in the crater. And I was really surprised at the top there were guys selling ice cream, like popsicles that they had carried up. 2 guys. They charged, the one that I bought was $1.50, which I was very happy to pay because it was very hot up there. And there were actually some moments when we were hiking up that it was a little bit cooler, just because as you can see this part is shady. So I didn't end up needing my sweater, but I did have it. And yeah, a really nice day. So we're going to go down. The tour also includes Lago Coatepeque, which is nearby from here. You could definitely see it from the top up there. And I think they're going to give us some time to swim and get some seafood, which I'm excited about. I heard the fish from the lake are really good. So we'll see how that goes. Oh, I think we're back to the first lookout, so pretty close. Guys, this is how the bathrooms are at the park. You grab your toilet paper, you grab your bucket of water, use the toilet, and then you flush it by dumping your bucket of water in there. How about that? Women's bathroom. Leaving Cerro Viejo Park. These are all coffee trees, and he said that the season is November, December, January, and it's January now. She's harvesting coffee, and our driver has stopped
to get a couple of fresh coffee berries to share with us, so everyone can try. Wow. Wow.
Comamos, pruébenlo.
Tu me demander si on peut en faire? Du jet ski? J'en ai vu un sur l'eau.
Quitaron la sombra. Qué mala onda.
So our lunch spot, they brought us here.
It's my favorite.
Wow, quite nice. And we ordered seafood, of course. Wow, what a nice view for lunch. Beautiful. Wow, look at all the pastries. Check out the menu. Pretty much empty. Hey guys, so I'm in a coffee shop here in Santa Ana, Salvador. I'm having a relaxing day. I decided that I need to check in more with myself, and I'm just feeling pretty burned out. I think between all the travel and just some stuff that's been going on in my personal life, even though I slept like 11 hours last night, I'm just ready to have a chill day. So I didn't plan anything for today. I slept in, I had breakfast, I watched a movie in a hammock, I walked into town and tried another coffee shop, which was non-existent. So I got here, I got a coconut frozen drink, toffee cheesecake. I've got my Kindle, so I'm gonna read, and then I think I might get Papa John's. I know, getting an American brand in a foreign country, but I actually haven't had Papa John's in years, and I've been just feeling pretty stressed out and overwhelmed. So I think having something comforting that I know I enjoy and I know what to expect will be really nice. So it's right next door. I'm gonna get Papa John's. I'll have leftovers for the work week, so I don't have to figure out lunch amidst busy work days. And yeah, I'll probably go back and swim, do some yoga, and maybe get myself organized. I have a couple things I need to do before the work week starts. So hopefully have a relaxing rest of the day today. This is the downtown area of Santa Ana. It's a Sunday, so a little quiet. It's good. It's very hot here. Over there you can see the cathedral, but it's currently under repair. So there's a lot of stuff up in front. I'll show you guys closer up. Check out the Plaza Central. Wow. A lot of street vendors, a lot of families hanging out. Nice to be in the shade. Look at all the pigeons. Check out the cathedral. You can tell that it's really beautiful, despite all the equipment for the repairs. Wow. In the park, this is leche, which was 50 cents and has apparently, I don't know, vanilla and I forget what, some kind of fruit. And this is yuca. So underneath is yuca. There's some kind of meat, vegetables. It was $1. I don't know. I'm afraid I'm not going to like it, but we'll see. And here we have people in the park talking about Jesus. Yep, typical afternoon in the park.